In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off secure search on Mcafee, a useful trick if you find the feature a bit too overbearing or simply prefer another search engine. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser, as this will serve as the gateway for adjusting your search settings. Once you have your browser up and running, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your browser's menu button, and it'll open up a variety of options for further customization. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This action will cascade down a list of options, bringing you that much closer to making the desired adjustments. Among these options, you'll see a selection labeled Settings. Click on Settings, which will transport you to a dedicated page ripe with configurable elements. Moving on, within the Settings page, your gaze should now shift to an option titled Search Engine. Click on this, and you'll find yourself in a section specifically tailored for managing all aspects of your search settings. It's here you can make tweaks based on your preferences. Now, one of the key sections you'll want to engage with is labeled Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Keep an eye out for this option. It should appear on the page. Once located, click on it, and you'll unveil a new realm where all your search engine preferences reside. Here we arrive at a crucial stage. It's time to sift through the list until you find Mcafee. The goal is to locate secure search tied to Mcafee within your available search engines. Typically, the list is organized alphabetically, so Mcafee might be nestled among other entries. Keep your eyes peeled for its name as you scroll. Once you spot Mcafee, it's your cue to either modify or completely remove it as a search engine choice. Many users prefer going with mainstream search engines or ones they perceive as more intuitive, so making this change can streamline your browsing experience significantly. And there you have it. Just follow these straightforward steps, and you'll have secure search turned off in Mcafee in no time. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, feel free to replay this section of the video for a helpful recap. This method not only grants you the freedom to customize the way you browse, but also enhances your overall online experience to better suit your personal needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks in future videos. Enjoy your surfing.